Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we were studying chapter Amazing Animals, and we have studied about frogs, about elephant, many animals we have studied about, and we have discussed about in our online class about mammals. Okay, so today children, 2 questions were left in our previous video, and today we are going to complete that 2 questions, and after that we will start our new chapter. Okay, so children, let's start doing our 9 and 10 number questions. Okay, we have discussed about frogs, and as we have discussed, most frogs have long tails and only a few have small tails. This is wrong option, and we have tick over there, that is wrong. Okay, so children, today date is 2nd August 2021, and this is your general knowledge class. General knowledge class 1. Okay children, now here you can see. Now we were doing chapter number Amazing Animals. Amazing Animals, children. So children, here we are going to discuss about next number, that is number 9, children. Okay, so in number 9 we will see what is written over here, children. That is, the question is written over here, to which family do lions belong? Okay, the question number 9 is, to which family do lions belong? Do lions belong, children? So here children, you can see to which family do lions belong, and as you all know children, this is belong from, it is not, the options are cat, dogs and bear. So children, as you all know, this animal, the lions, belongs to the cat's family because it's looking like cat. Okay, so this is because every animal having a family. As you can say, wolf family, the dog belongs. Okay, dog belongs to the wolf family. Now here, if we will talk about lions, so lions will belong from cat's family. So here the A option is correct, that is cat. Okay, so to which family do lions belong? The lions belong to the cat family. Okay children, so cat is the correct answer. So write it over here, or put a tick on A number option, that is a cat. Okay children, now here we are going to do 10 number question, that is written over here. Which of the following is not true about turtles? So children, which is not true about turtles, that is, they do not have teeth. Okay, yes, of course they do have teeth. They shed their shells every year. Okay, and the third option is they can smell. Yes children, this is not correct. That is not correct. The second option, that is B, they shed their shells everywhere. So I will write the question on the board, children. Okay, now number 10 I am going to write on the board, that is number 10. Which of the following is not true is not true about turtles. About turtles. Okay, so answer B is incorrect, children. Answer B is incorrect. They shed their shells. They shed their shells. They shed their shells every year. Every year, this is totally incorrect. They are not looking like a snake, because every year a snake used to remove its scale. So it is not belong to the snake family, so it can't shed its shell. तो शेल उनकी कभी भी रिमूव नहीं होती है, शेल उनकी सिमिलर रहती है. हाँ, वो एक्सपैंड होती है एज द साइज ऑफ द टर्टल. टर्टल के साइज पर डिपेंड करती है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो एक्सपैंड होती है. It is not, this is incorrect, they shed their shell every year. It is totally incorrect, children. Now children, we have completed now remaining two questions of amazing animals. So now we are going to start our next page. That is actually an activity. And we have to understand how many shapes we can see in our nature. So this is a nature walk. Okay children, nature walk. It's a beautiful chapter. In that you can see many things. Okay, whenever you wake up in the morning, you can see bright sun in the sky. Okay, and afternoon and in the evening, before coming the night, you can see many stars twinkling in the sky. Do you know what is the shape of the star? Okay children, we will know in this nature walk. Okay children, now if we will see in the night, there is a moon. Yes, moon is also having a specific shape. From earth we can see the specific shape of the moon. Okay, now everything, whatever we can able to see on this earth, they're having a different shape, different colors and different structures. Children, because similarly we are having different shades. We are having different shade of the eyes. The color are totally different. Our complexion are different to one another because we are all unique human being, children. So similarly here you can see nature also having a unique personality or unique qualification in each and every object. Okay, we can't say this is an object because these are the important thing in the nature. Okay, without that our survival cannot be exist. So that is, our survival is depend on the natural things. Okay, if the sunlight will not be there, so how can we survive? How can our plants make food? How can they give oxygen to us? So children, this is very, very important to move in the nature, because we should know how many types and shapes you can see in the nature. Trees having a specific type of the shape. Okay, if you will see evergreen tree, so it's having a triangular shape. If you will see mango tree, it's having a round or circle shape. Its trunk also having a different type of cylindrical shape. So birds also having a different shape. Okay, so let's discuss about the shapes and the colors of nature. So let's children, let's start move to the nature walk. So our next chapter is nature walk, and this chapter you can find on page number 46 in your Know for Sure general knowledge book. Okay children, so let's take out your general knowledge book, turn over the page number 46 children, page number 46. Here we will see different kind of shapes in the nature site. Okay, this is the site, beautiful site. It is given in your book. We will see how many shapes are there. Okay, so children, let's see first. Here you can see children, in this page, you can see sun is there, few birds, few mountains, few trees are there. Okay, few animals are also there in the grassland. Okay, so children, let's start our chapter, that is a walk through nature. Okay, I'm going to write on the board children. A walk through nature. A walk through nature. A walk through nature children. Okay, this is our chapter name. Now children, here you can see a short story or short introduction is given. Novi goes for a walk and observes various shapes in nature. Help Novi identify these different shapes. Okay, color the square with red, circles with green, and triangles brown, and the rectangles blue. So color we will do in our online class. But first we should understand what are the shapes of the different kind of the natural or celestial body. Okay, first we will discuss the celestial body. Okay, then we will move to the whatever the things we can see on the earth. पहले हम लोग बात करेंगे celestial bodies की जो हमें sky में दिखते हैं, है ना? And then we will discuss what we can able to see on our earth, beautiful earth. So children, let's start doing this. Okay, so children, let's start doing. So children, first we will talk about bodies or the natural object which we can see in the sky. So children, first of all, in the morning, what we will see in the morning. So this is actually sun. Okay, and sun having rays children. Okay, because of the rays we can get light. It is as simple as we can see different triangle shape. Okay, children, here you can see these are the rays. Okay, children, this is sun. Now children, if we will ask what is the shape of the sun, so yes, you can able to give the answer because we have already learned in maths about shapes. So it is so simple. So what is the shape of the sun? Yes children, this is circle. This is sun and the shape of the sun is circle. Okay, circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. The spelling of the circle is C-I-R-C-L-E. Now children, if we will talk about the rays of the sun, so what we will write? Here you can see This shape is very familiar to you. It is not बहुत अलग नहीं है, ये इससे familiar है. ये shape क्या है आप देखिए, अलग अलग जगह पे अलग अलग तरीके से इसको raises आ रही है sun में से. तो इसका shape क्या है ये? Tell me. This is the shape, very common, very fundamental. This is fundamental shape, that is triangle, children. Here you can see there is a 3 lines and each line having 3 corners. Okay, so this is called, children, triangle. This is called triangle. Triangle. That is called triangle. Okay, that is called, children, triangle. Okay, triangle. Triangle. So this is called, children, triangle. And here, children, what we have discussed, the sun is having a circle shape and its rays. Here you can see in your book, the sun is there and its rays is around the sun, that is in the shape of triangle, children. Now here, children, you can see triangle. The shape, I write over here, the shape of the rays are triangle. Okay, the shape of the rays are triangle. Okay, so we will color in our online class, but we have to understand first what the shapes of celestial body, children. Okay, children, now we are moving to a small bird. Okay, here you can see this is a small bird which we can see in the sky near the sun. But before that, we have to discuss what is the shape of the moon. Yes, of course. So first we will discuss about celestial body. That is why we are discussing over her sun. And now we are moving to the moon. Okay. So as we can see from the earth, because it is too far, सन भी बहुत ज़्यादा दूर है अर्थ से और मून भी बहुत ज़्यादा दूर है. ओके, तो जब अर्थ से हमारा प्लैनेट क्या है, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ आवर प्लैनेट? यस, अर्थ. तो अर्थ से हमें मून कैसा दिखाई देता है? हमें मून सर्कल दिखाई देता है. तभी तो हम गाते हैं चंदा मामा दूर के पुए पकाते. ऐसी पोएम्स आपको याद है ना, है ना? सो हियर the moon, if you will see, this is also the shape of circle. This is moon and this is having a circular shape. Circle. Moon is also a circular, having a circle shape. Okay. Now, if we will talk about this bird. So let's draw first. What is the shape of this bird? How many shapes combined will make this bird? इस bird को कितने सारे shape ने मिलकर बनाया है, ठीक है? लेकिन वैसे अगर आप देखेंगे नेचुरल वे में तो bird के अलग अलग shape होते हैं. कुछ बड़ी होती हैं, कुछ छोटी होती हैं. But actually they are looking like same. जब आप दूर से देखेंगे तो सारी बर्ड्स आपको एक सी ही दिखेंगी, कोई आपको अलग नहीं दिखेगा. सबके पास विंग्स रहती है, सबके पास उनकी बीक होती है, हेड होता है एंड टेल ऑल्सो. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ shapes and we will discuss how many shapes we can see in this bird. Okay, so here I am going to draw first. This is a small rectangular. Now one cylindrical shape or rectangular, you can say this is triangle and then rectangle. And then you can see one small type of triangular shape, and then you can see over here one also triangle, and then if we will move here, so we will get one triangle again and one triangle again. Okay, now we have to be, okay, now, okay, now here children you can see, now one triangle we can make over here for its tail. Now children, here if you will see, so here you can see this is triangle shape, okay. Now we will move to this shape. This is, it is quite long than square, so we will say this rectangular, okay, rectangle. Now again here you can see triangle, because this bird is made with triangular, rectangular and square also. Here you can see something looking like a square, so square also, but it is not properly a square, it is rectangular actually, but because it is showing like square, so we can write. And now in the body of this bird you can see small type of the triangular shape is there, triangle. Now this is also triangle, this is also triangle, okay. Now the tail is also having a shape of triangle children, okay. You can see here children, this is also triangle. So here children you can see the bird is having, this bird is made with the different shapes. Here children you can see, okay. So first head is made with triangle, okay, triangle, this is triangle. Now rectangular, rectangle, and then triangle, and then the tail is already made with triangle shape, and in the middle you can see a square, and then triangle, 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 triangle. With the help of the rectangular shape and with the help of the triangle, so we have done this, okay. This bird is made with triangle and rectangular shapes, okay children. So we have completed second one, okay. Now if you will see, there are so many trees here, 1, 2 and 3, okay, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 trees you can, okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 trees. So what is the shape of the tree? Let's draw this, okay. Okay children, I will draw the shape of the tree which is already drawn in your book, okay. So here children you can see this is the shape of the tree. It is okay, 1, 2, 3 and here 4. 4 trees are there. To display the leaves. So what is there? There are few circles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So here children you can see there are few trees. Okay? So here this shape of the tree is triangle children. Triangle. Okay? The shape of the tree is triangle. And because we have to show the shape of the leaves, so here you can see it is shown by the circular shape. So here these are the circles. These 3 are circle. Okay? Now let's talk about the trunk of the tree that is having a rectangular shape. Rectangular children. Okay? Rectangle you can see. Rectangle. Okay? So triangle, circle and rectangle. There are 3 shapes you can see in the trees. Okay? So children, here this is circle, this is triangle, this is triangle, these are the circle and this is rectangle. So here children we have discussed about trees, the different kind of trees having different shapes. But in your book there are specific type of trees that is having a triangle shape children. Okay children, now let's see this house shape. इस हाउस का हम शेप देखेंगे किस तरह से बना है, कितने तरह के शेप्स इसमें लगाए गए हैं जिससे ये बना है. हाउस आपको पता ही है, इट्स द प्लेस, इट्स आवर ड्वेलिंग प्लेस वेयर वी आर लिविंग. ओके, जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं. तो इधर देखिए आप कैसे ये हाउस बना है. ओके, ऐसे आपकी बुक में ड्रॉ है, आप देखिए इसको. ओके, नाउ हियर if you will see this shape, this is called house, and here you can see its roof is made with triangle shape. ओके, ट्रायंगल शेप से बनी हुई है. इसकी रूफ जो है आप देखिएगा, इसकी रूफ किससे बनी है? ट्रायंगल शेप से बनी है. Now here if you will see, this is children different type of the shapes. If you can see, that is a square. That is a square. This is a square. This, the body of the house is made with a square shape, because here you can see all 4 corners are equal. कोई भी लाइन आपको बड़ी हुई नहीं दिख रही है, कोई लाइन आपको छोटी नहीं दिख रही है, सारी लाइंस बराबर हैं. So that is called, there is also having a 4 corner and each line are equally balanced. So this is square shape. Okay. Now here children, if you will see inside this house, what is there? This is rectangle shape. Okay, because it's having a 4 corner, but this line is much bigger than these 2 lines. So that is why it is called rectangular. Okay. Now this is very simple. This is circle children. Circle. Okay. This is circle. This is circle children. So here children you can see डिफरेंट शेप से हमने पूरा घर बना लिया है इसमें. तो उसमें कोई भी चीज़ बची हुई आपको दिख रही है क्या? चारों आपके फंडामेंटल शेप हैं और चारों शेप को मिलाकर ये घर बना हुआ है. दिस हाउस इज मेड विथ 4 fundamental shapes. Okay, now here first we will see this roof is made with triangle shape, and here the window is made with circular shape, and this door is made with rectangle shape, and here this outer body of the house is made with square shape. Okay, so this is the shape of your house. Now children, if you will see next thing, that is boat. The boat is here in the lake or river, so we are going to draw boat. बोट ड्रॉ करेंगे हम लोग, कैसे बनी है ये देखते हैं। पहले एक हम रेक्टेंगल शेप बना देंगे, दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल। ओके, नाउ अगेन वी विल डू one triangle over here, and here also one triangle. Okay, now here we are going to draw a triangle shape. Okay, now here you can see the boat is ready. Okay, this is boat, and the boat is ready over here. This shape is called rectangle. Rectangle, children. Okay, this is rectangle shape. Now these are the triangles. Triangle, this is also a triangle. It is not properly triangle, but it is looking like triangle. Okay, triangle. So this boat is made with triangle and rectangular. It means 3 triangles are there and 1 is rectangle. So here children, the sail of the boat is made with the triangle shape. Okay children, so complete this. And here, if we will see, many things are there. In our next video, we will discuss about how to create an animal. Animal को कैसे हम shapes में उसको ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, तो वो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। उसके बाद फिर वी विल कैरी ओवर आर कलर्स, है ना। कलर्स हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में कर लेंगे, एज ए एक्टिविटी वी विल कंप्लीट। ओके, हम लोग उसको एज ए एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट करेंगे। सो चिल्ड्रन, ऑल ऑफ यू, आई विल रियली इट्स वंडरफुल चैप्टर, एंड इसमें बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है जब हम इसको कलर भी करेंगे। अलग अलग शेप को हम लोग समझ चुके हैं, और जब हम लोग इसको कलर करेंगे तो बहुत ही हम फन करेंगे। ओके, सो वी विल मीट इन आवर ऑनलाइन क्लास. सो चिल्ड्रन, वी विल मीट अगेन in our video class also. So till then, bye bye and take care.